Semester 2 Multiple Choice Review Question 26A. So it's given the table, choose the correct graph. Looking at our answer choices, we have all parabolas. Looking at our table, we see we have symmetry in the y values. Because of that symmetry, we can easily identify the vertex of the parabola as 1, 3. Okay. Let's look at our answer choices and identify the vertex and determine if any of our answer choices can be eliminated. Answer choice A has a vertex of 1, 3. Answer choice B has a vertex of 1, negative 3. Answer choice C has a vertex of 1, 3. Answer choice D has a vertex of 1, 1. So we can eliminate answer choices B and D. Now let's plot the points from our table and see if answer choice A or C are the correct answer. Negative 1, 7. Negative 1, 7. 0, 4. 2, 4. And 3, 7. All of these points lie on answer choice A. Answer choice A is the correct answer. 26B. Again, it says given the table, choose the correct graph. Looking at our answer choices, we have all parabolas again. We also see the symmetry in our y values, but we aren't able to identify our vertex from the table. So let's just plot the point from the table and see which graph matches our table and is our correct answer choice. Looking at that first point, 0, 10. Answer choice A is not a valid answer choice. Plotting 0, 10 on answer choice B, that point does lie on our parabola. Looking at answer choice C, if we plot the point 0, 10, we see that answer choice C is not a valid answer choice. Looking at answer choice D, 0, 10 does not lie on the parabola that's given. The only valid answer choice is B. 27A says which function matches the graph. You may use your graphing calculator. Okay. Before taking out our calculator, if we just look at the equation that we're given, we know that because the parabola opens up, our equation has to have a positive leading coefficient. Answer choice B has a negative leading coefficient, which would produce a parabola that opens down. So we can eliminate answer choice B. Okay. Next, let's look at the linear term. Okay, this middle term. We have a positive 5x. A positive linear term produces a graph that is shifted left of the y-axis. Our graph is shifted left of the y-axis, so answer choices A and C are valid. But if we look at answer choice D, we have a negative linear term, which would produce a graph that shifts right of the axis. So we can eliminate answer choice D. Okay. Now let's look at our remaining two answers, A and C. A has a negative constant term, which means that the parabola is shifted below the x-axis. So it looks like A is our correct answer choice. Let's just look at answer choice C. Answer choice C has a positive constant term, which would mean that the parabola is shifted above the x-axis. Again, we saw that our parabola is shifted below the x-axis. So answer choice C is not valid. Answer choice A is the correct answer. Okay. 27B. Okay, again, we're looking, it says which function matches the graph. So again, if we're looking at just our equation, okay, we have a parabola that opens down. So our leading coefficient has to be negative. Answer choice B has a positive leading coefficient, which would produce a parabola that opens up, so we can eliminate that answer choice. Okay. The fractions as the leading coefficient will produce a narrow graph. The fractions produce a wider graph, okay, like in answer choice A and C. The whole number produces a narrower graph. So we can eliminate answer choice D. Okay, again, We're eliminating answer choice B because that leading coefficient of 2 would produce a more narrow graph than we have here, something that would look like this. Okay? We have 2 valid answer choices left, A and C. Both of them have a positive 1 as their linear term. Okay? So we can't use either of those to eliminate answer choice A or C. But looking at that constant value, one has a negative 1 and one has a positive 1. We know that that constant term on the end is going to shift our parabola up or down. The negative 1 would shift the graph below the x-axis, so answer choice A is not valid. This positive 1 will shift our graph above the x-axis, so answer choice C is the correct answer choice. 28A. Which of the following graphs has a vertex of -3, -4, and x-intercepts -1, 0, and -5, 0? Let's identify the vertex and y-intercept of our answer choices. Answer choice A has a vertex of -2, -9, and x-intercepts of -5, 0, and 1, 0. This does not match what we're looking for. Answer choice A is not valid. Answer choice B. Answer choice B has a vertex of -3, -4, and x-intercepts of -5, 0, and -1, 0. Answer choice B is our correct answer. 28B. Again, it says which of the following graphs has a vertex of 1, 2, and x-intercept 0, 0, and 2, 0. So let's just start again by identifying our vertex and x-intercepts and see which is our valid answer choice. Answer choice A has a vertex 2, 2, and no x-intercepts. Answer choice A is not valid. This parabola does not intercept the x-axis at all. Answer choice B has a vertex 2, 2, and x-intercepts at 0.5, 0, and 3.5, 0. Okay, this doesn't match what we're looking for. Not a valid answer choice. Answer choice C has a vertex 2, 2, and x-intercepts at 1, 0, and 3, 0. This is not what we're looking for. Okay, answer choice D is the last answer choice that we have. Our vertex is 1, 2. Our x-intercepts are 0, 0, and 2, 0. Answer choice D is the correct answer.